Shalom Achoti. There is something I almost kept to myself. Not because I doubted the word, but because I have learned that some truths are first meant to be believed before they are shared. Some passages are quickly understood, others linger, until the Ruach unfolds them within us. This week, I found a passage that gathered into one place everything the Ruach has been gently unfolding within me, to turn the hearts of the fathers to the children, and the disobedient to the wisdom of the just, to make ready a people prepared for the Master YaHUaH. I could not move past those words, not because they are unfamiliar, but because I finally understood why they have been echoing in my heart all along. There is something about them that has settled deeply within me, the kind of truth that doesn't simply ask to be understood, but received. And I've been wondering, how often have I prayed for YaHUaH to change what is around me, while He has been patiently changing what is within me? Perhaps that has always been His way, long before the answer arrives, long before the door opens, long before the promise is placed into our hands. He begins with the heart, not because He is withholding something from us, but because He desires a people prepared for His presence. I couldn't help but wonder, what does a prepared heart look like? Is it the heart that knows the most, or the one that has learned to return again and again to YaHUaH? Perhaps His deepest work is often the one no one else can see. Perhaps it looked like repentance before rejoicing, a heart made ready before the promise arrives, trust before understanding, a heart willing to be searched before asking to be satisfied. My thoughts return to Elisheva, not because she conceived, but because when YaHUaH removed her reproach, her heart still knew where to turn. She gave thanks to the one who had visited her. She recognized the giver before resting in a gift. I have wondered, what had YaHUaH been cultivating within her through all those hidden years? Perhaps the greater work was not only preparing the promise, perhaps He was preparing the woman who would receive it. Achoti. Perhaps there is something you've been praying for, something only you and YaHUaH know. Perhaps there is a promise that still feels distant, or perhaps you are holding in your hands what you once wept over in prayer. Either way, the invitation remains the same. Turn your heart toward Him. Let gratitude have the first word. Remember the one from whom every good gift has come. The Ruach has always delighted in preparing hearts, turning them, purifying them, teaching them to delight in righteousness, not because they are afraid, but because they have discovered there is nowhere else they will rather walk. I don't believe a woman becomes steadfast the day her circumstances change. I believe she becomes steadfast the day her heart finds its home in YaHUaH when His word begins to live within her. When correction is no longer resisted, but received. When obedience is no longer a burden, but a joy. When trust remains, even before sight. Perhaps this is what it means to become a people prepared for the Master. Not perfect, but yielded. Simply allowing YaHUaH to shape her heart. So tomorrow morning, before the day begins, before the responsibilities call your name, before another prayer rises from your heart, pause, give thanks, not only for what YaHUaH has placed into your hands, but for what He is forming within you. For even now, He is turning hearts, preparing His people, making them ready for His presence. May the Ruach continue His work within you. Shalom, Achoti.